excess of 50 knots. Lightning and heavy rain are expected with these
Guys,
storms.
I'm gonna get a double header.
Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Okay. It's gonna be a double header, I think. Yep, there it is. It's gonna be a double header. First down the channel, guys. Yeah, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for
There's
coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan inlet, New Jersey on 20 nautical miles until
Didn't issue
5:15
us
p.m.
BS from my
At
location.
4:07 p.m.,
Or
a strong
SBS.
thunderstorm was located over Sandy Hook,
You guys
moving
hear that
southeast
thunder?
at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. The strong winds should occur with a gust front as it moves southeastward.
Ooh, with gust.
Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged.
Oh, and by the way, the first one had a
waves.
50-knot hot strong thunderstorm
Leonardo, Shark River
SMW.
Reef,
Man.
Atlantic Highlands, Monmouth Beach, Sea Bright, Sandy Hook Reef, and Fairhaven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather
I got a
passes.
bunch of passwords too, guys.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Dang.
Flood advisory in effect until 5:45 p.m. this afternoon.
Alright, guys.
What? Flooding caused
Stay
by
safe out
excessive
there.
rain